This lecture is entitled The Psychology of Sexual Slang by Dr. Bev Knox. A question was sent in asking, what does it mean when we use the term dirty, nasty, kinky sex? Well, technically, this is called a sexual slang. A sexual slang is a set of linguistic terms and phrases used to refer to the sexual act itself, or various sex organs. These terms are not intended to be formal or medical, and may even be seen as vulgar, rude, pornographic, impolite, or improper.
Basically, sexual slang can be seen as an informal language used to talk about sex, body parts, or relationships in a more casual or humorous way. According to Dr. Sharma, it helps people avoid awkwardness, express themselves, or connect with others. Understanding these terms helps you stay informed, set boundaries, and avoid confusion in conversations. In Professor Knox's psychology courses, she tends to define terms, even the ones that may appear self-explanatory, so that all students are on the same page about the lecture being presented.
First, let us define some important terms. Sexuality is the capacity to derive pleasure from various forms of sexual activity and behavior, particularly from sexual intercourse. It can also include all aspects of sexual behavior, including gender identity, orientation, attitudes, and activity.
Now let us define the meaning of dirty sex. According to UrbanDictionary.com, dirty sex is when couples engage in sexual intercourse for extended periods of time, but without washing or cleaning off genitalia from bodily fluids, such as sweat, lube, and/or semen. Dirty sex could also be defined as the art of practicing intercourse. While talking about items that are generally not clean or sanitary, this can be seen as a form of foreplay or climax stimulation.
According to sexlexis.com, the term dirty is defined as vulgar, pornographic, obscene, naughty, impure, and unchaste. There are various types of sexual slang, which can describe a lot of different things with different meanings. So let us review some sexual slang regarding having sex or hookups. Hooking up means to kiss or have sex casually, without a relationship. To smash, this means to have sex, often used playfully or casually. Ever heard the slang, to Netflix and chill? Well, this means to invite someone to hang out and likely hook up. It does not necessarily mean come over to watch Netflix. It might, but usually not. Getting laid. This means to have sex, usually after effort or flirting. To bang or let's bang or getting banged. It is a blunt way to say, have sex or let's have sex. Having a one-night stand means having sex with someone once, without further plans. And friends with benefits simply means casual friends who have sex but are not in a dating relationship.
The term smash or getting smashed simply means to have casual sex. Now, we've all heard the term thirsty or thirst trap. This is when someone is desperate for sexual attention. They may post provocative pictures or other sexual content on social media to gain attention or likes. And lastly, the term clapping or clapping cheeks. This is just another term for having sex.
Let's face it, sexual slang is everywhere. It's part of how people joke, flirt, share, and sometimes hide their feelings. There's nothing wrong with knowing or using it. Both Dr. Knox and Dr. Sharma suggests that it is important to be respectful, responsible, and clear about what you mean when using sexual slang. If you ever feel unsure, it's okay to ask or skip the slang altogether. Understanding sexual slang isn't about being cool. It's about being informed, safe, and confident in how you communicate.
Please be advised, this is an educational, academically sound psychology course by Dr. Bev Knox for adult student learners. Lecture content include discussions and representations of human sexuality, theoretical perspectives on sexuality, sex research, sexual anatomy, sex hormones, sexual arousal, attraction and love theories, gender and sexuality, sexual orientation, variations in sexual behavior, sexual coercion, sex for sale, sexual disorders, and sex therapy, ethics and religion on sexuality, and sex laws. Before beginning the course, please be mindful of your capacity to witness and respond to videos, books, and images of this content material.